안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. For today's video, I'll be doing a nail art inspired by idol music video of BTS. For my base color, I applied white nail polish over my peel-off base coat. On my index nail, I'll be doing V's outfit. I'll be using these diagonal lines, but I'm going to stamp it straight on my nail. Then after that, let's add hearts. Before I start my other nails, I'm applying liquid latex for an easier cleanup. Now let's proceed on my middle nail. I'll be doing the background design from this part of the music video. Next, on my ring nail, I'll be doing the sunset background. Then repeat painting and dabbing until you reach full opacity. Then apply top coat. Let that dry, then let's add a white semicircle on the tip of the nail. Then on my thumbnail and on my pinky, I'll be doing the explosion of colors background. After applying top coat and letting it dry, I'll be painting some cloud-like shapes. Then apply the final top coat onto your nails. And that's it! I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys give my video a big thumbs up. And never forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Oh, and kindly share this video to your awesome friends and to other BTS armies. If you want to recreate this look, all you have to do is tag me on the photo and use the hashtag #HC321inspired. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Annyeong!